Bonjour. Today we are going to work on two different verbs. They are kind of irregular and also the expression how long and since. I'm going to share that. So it's going to be the last couple lessons have been kind of intense with the grammar. So this chapter, you need to enjoy it because it's going to be straightforward. It's just, I'm just going to give you a verb. You need to memorize it, or if you can't memorize it, at least have it ready when the verb came up in an exercise. Okay, so you can check the conjugation. So the first verb is going to be suivre, d'accord? Suivre, which means to follow, d'accord? In French, we're going to say, oh, I follow a French class. Je suis un cours de français. Yes. In English, you say, I take a French class. In French, we say, I follow a French class. You can also say, I follow my friend. I follow my friend around. Okay. Okay. So I'm just going to conjugate it. And then we're going to see what's happened. Tu suis. Il. Elle. On suit. Nous suivons. Vous suivez. Ils. Elles suivent. OK. In passé composé. It's going to be suivi. D'accord? J'ai suivi un cours de français l'année dernière. Wow, I'm struggling here. Français, l'année. I put l'année dernière so we know it's past tense. D'accord? And I need to fix my apostrophe. Yes, I know. OK. J'ai suivi un cours de français l'année dernière. OK? So passé composé de suivi. We use avoir, right? Because it's not on my list. So here, what this verb is special because look at that. Être. Oh, that's beautiful. That was not my plan. If I put the verb être here, how do I conjugate the verb être, my friend? Aha, watch me. Je suis. Oh boy. And that means I am. That's going to be an issue. And here it's I follow. Oh boy. So this is what's happening here. Je suis. D'accord? With the verb être, it's je suis, it's I am. With the verb to follow, suivre, it's je suis. So how do I know which one is which? Well, the context is going to tell you. So for example, je suis Sébastien et je suis Patrick. Why Patrick? Why not? Wow, what does that mean? Well, we don't know. We need the context. So it could be I am Sébastien and I follow Patrick, or it could be I follow Sebastian and I am Patrick. We don't know. We need the context. Seriously. Je suis. Let's say this one is I am. And je suis. Let's say this one is I follow. Okay? We don't know. It can mean both. Je suis Sébastien et je suis Patrick. I don't know. I am Sebastian and I follow Patrick, or I am following Sebastian and I am Patrick. I don't know. Can be both. The context is going to tell you. So be careful with that. The context is going to be very important. So that's going to be for the first verb. Okay? Nothing complicated, except you need to pay attention to the context, because in one case, it's going to be I follow. In the other case, it's going to mean I am. Okay? Then we're going to split the two verbs with a little grammar lesson. Oh, it's not a grammar lesson. It's more like the meaning of some words that you've seen before. It's going to be depuis, virgule, il y a, and Wow, I forgot an S. Il y a and ça fait. D'accord? Donc, depuis, il y a and ça fait. So, that's going to be the word we're going to be working on now. It's pretty straightforward. Pam, 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 pam. Depuis égale since. Okay? Since. I like that. Since. How long? Okay? Il y a. In fact, it's equal to ça fait. It's the same definition. D'accord? And that they're going to want you to translate that by since or how long, but you're going to want after that, so plus the time. D'accord? Okay? Do you agree with that? So plus the time, and then I would say plus que. I'm going to give you some example. Okay, that's going to be easier. Okay, so I learn French, or I have been learning French since 2020. D'accord? So, j'apprends le français depuis 2020. Okay? By the way, and that's important, when you use depuis in French, you always have present. D'accord? In English, you use past tense. Okay? In French, you use present. So be careful with that. So that's going to be present tense. Present tense. Présent. Temps au présent. Temps au présent. D'accord? So that's going to be the first one. And then, il y a 4 ans. Oh. It has been 4 years since I have been learning French. Okay? In French, it will be il y a 4 ans que, or that, you don't really say that, que j'apprends le français. D'accord? Il y a 4 ans que, and here, look what you have. Because you have que, you know you're going to use il y a. D'accord? So que here is extremely important. Okay? And as I said, you can replace il y a par ça fait. Ça fait, and then I'm going to do that. Ok, ça fait 4 ans que j'apprends le français. They are interchangeable. Okay, that's it. So the key here, if you have que, you use il y a or ça fait. If you don't have que, you use depuis. And depuis will always be used with present. Okay, because it's still true. I learned French since 2020. It's still true right now, so we use the present. Okay? That's it for that. This is super straightforward, super easy. You're going to see, you're going to have some exercise. The key here is to pay attention to the que. If you have que, it's il y a or ça fait. Okay? If you don't have que, it's going to be depuis. Okay? Should I put that in green? I want to put some color. I like color. You know that, right? Yep, I like it. Depuis, and here ça fait. I'm going to put that in red. Fine. No, everything's matching. This is a lot of red. I wish I had a different color, but it's okay. Okay? Look what I can do. No, because that's matching, okay? Excellent. And then the last part of this lesson is going to be one more verb to conjugate. Again, the verb, try to remember them. But if not, it's not too much of a big deal, but recognize them. So this way you can go in your book and find the right answer. So the verb is going to be ouvrir. Okay, this verb is interesting because it's an IR verb, but it's conjugated like an ER verb. D'accord? So it will be EES, EONS, EZ, ENT. So I'm going to write that down. IR verb, mais conjugué comme un ER verb. D'accord? That's it. So let's look at it. Tu ouvres. So I drop the IR and I put ES. Il, elle, on ouvre. OK? Nous ouvrons. Vous ouvrez. Il, elle ouvre. D'accord? So the ER verb, you remember what do? We drop the IR and we replace the IR, no, ER by EES, EONS, EZ, ENT, where here it's the same. I drop the IR and I replace the IR by E. I need more color. Blue, bloom, up, ONS, easy, ENT. I think there is some other verb that's going to do the same. It's going to be the verb offrir. Offrir. And the verb ouvrir. No, just offrir, actually. I was going to say offrir and ouvrir, but I just conjugated ouvrir. So that's going to be the same. Okay? Passé composé. Passé composé. Attention, it's irregular. Oh, I wish everything would fit. Passé composé, it's ouvert. D'accord? And it's going to be something like that. Elle a ouvert la porte. D'accord? Oh, I really want this one. So maybe, look what I'm going to do. Offrir slash, yeah, ouvrir slash offrir. Here we go. Perfect. And here it's going to be the same. Passé composé et passé composé offert. Elle a offert un cadeau. Un cadeau à Sébastien. Oh, that's nice. She offered a gift to me. Elle a offert un cadeau à Sébastien. Et I can write. Elle lui en a offert un. You see what I did here? I know. I put the pronoun. Before the verb. That's exciting, right? Un direct object à Sébastien, replaced by lui. En, it's a quantity. Pam, pam. Up, cadeau. It's going to be the same. And un, it's my quantity. That's nice. Elle lui en a offert un. Oh, that's very nice. Okay. So I like it. So that's going to be pretty much it here for this lesson. So be careful. We have two verbs. Make sure to recognize them. Okay, the conjugation of two verbs. So the first one is going to be suivre. The tricky part is that it's the same than to be for the first person of singular. Je suis, je suis. So the context is going to tell you. Okay. Passé composé is going to be suivi. J'ai suivi un cours de français. Then depuis, il y a, ça fait. It's straightforward, I would say. Il y a and ça fait the same. And he works with que. D'accord? So every time you have que, you use il y a or ça fait. They are the same. It doesn't matter which one you use. Okay? And depuis, it's always used in present. And the last verb to conjugate that we're going to conjugate is going to be offrir and ouvrir. They are conjugated like the ER verb. E-E-S, E-O-N-S, easy, E-N-T. Be careful past participle, it's irregular. So, elle a offert un cadeau à Sébastien. Allez, let's mix up everything from this chapter. Elle lui en a offert un. Yeah! OK? Ça marche? That's perfect. So you see, easy lesson. Go through your homework. Again, as usual, if you have any question, please send me a message and I'm going to help you. OK? Merci beaucoup. Au revoir. À bientôt.